What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here again today with the 03 Deuce. I'm going to be installing the drop-in suspension from Progressive. This one, I think they said it takes about 30 minutes average to install. They do have some other front-end suspension lowering kits that they're a little bit more cumbersome as far as installation, because you have to remove the tire, the forks, the front fender, pretty much the entire front end to get those on. They take about an afternoon. They're still very doable, but what I liked about this one, the drop-in suspension, is basically the ease of installation. I mean, they're saying it's only about 30 minutes, and again, they just drop into the top. So let's go ahead and get started. What I'm gonna do is take some measurements before I actually start. I didn't do that with the seat, but I wanna get an idea of where I am before and after to see what kind of a drop I'm getting from the drop-in suspension. Let's get to it. Okay, so now that I have the fork nuts, or at least the tension broken on the fork nuts, I'm gonna go ahead and get the bike up off the ground, and then I can finish taking those out. Okay guys, so now that I have the tension off the fork caps and the weight is off the front wheel, I can finish removing the fork caps. One thing I wanted to mention before I completely take these off is that these are under load, so there's pressure and tension. You want to make sure that you keep, you know, a hand or something above them so they don't go just shooting off, you know, and hitting something. So keep that in mind. The anxiety on when this is going to pop is killing me. What, are you serious? Okay guys, so as you can see from the video that I just shot, there was a bit of a surprise when I took off the fork cap. And the surprise being is that there was no way that any of these springs, compensators, or spacers for this kit were gonna fit down into that. Definitely we're gonna drop into the front forks. You know, there was, as you can see from the picture, that hole that's right there is only about a 1/2 inch in diameter, and this is, I mean, this spring is probably about 1.25 inches in width or diameter. Also, compensator is about the same size, I think. But at any rate, there's no way nothing's going to go in there. So I decided to go ahead and just quit. Really didn't have a choice, and I was going to scrap the video, but I decided to go ahead and just leave it there, or just go ahead and put it out, because I wanted you guys to be able to see the good with the bad. You know, we'll do some things, and hopefully most of the time everything works out, as you've seen so far with the videos that we've put together, but sometimes they just won't. So these are just hiccups. You know, we can't, you know, stop. I still fully expect to drop that front suspension. We'll probably have to go with something different. It might be one of those suspensions that have to take off the entire front end. But that's not too big of a deal. Definitely not as easy as a 30-minute installation. But so at any rate, you know, just keep a lookout for the upcoming videos. It all kind of depends on how quick I can get this swapped out and when I can do the, you know, drop the suspension again. Again, I may go with something completely, or may have to go with something completely different, because this is definitely not going to work. So don't forget, we have a giveaway going on for our 1,000 subscribers. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and it's very important that you comment. And we'll see you on the next one, guys.